Two-way switches. Two-way switches, also known as three-way switches, are commonly used in electrical circuits to control a single light fixture or a group of fixtures from multiple locations. They are called two-way switches because they offer two different switch positions, allowing for control from two separate switch locations. In a typical two-way switch setup, you have two switches connected to the same light fixture. The switches are connected together using a three-core cable, which has three wires: a live wire usually colored black, a neutral wire usually colored white, and a traveler wire usually colored red. The basic wiring configuration for a two-way switch setup involves the following. 1. Connect the live wire black to the common terminal of the first switch. 2. Connect the traveler wire red to one of the two remaining terminals of the first switch. 3. Connect the traveler wire red to one of the two terminals of the second switch. 4. Connect the other traveler wire red to the remaining terminal of the second switch. 5. Connect the neutral wire white directly to the light fixture. With this setup, you can control the light fixture from either switch location. When one switch is in the on position, flipping the other switch will change the position of the light. In other words, the switches work in tandem to control the lighting circuit. It's important to note that wiring practices and color codes may differ depending on your location. So it's always a good idea to consult local electrical codes or hire a professional electrician to ensure safe and compliant wiring. Remember to exercise caution when working with electricity and always turn off the power supply before making any electrical connections or modifications. Certainly, here's some additional details regarding two-way switches. 1. How they work. A two-way switch allows you to control a light or a group of lights from two different locations. The switches have three terminals, a common terminal, and two traveler terminals. By toggling the position of the switches, you can turn the lights on or off. 2. Wiring configurations. There are a couple of different ways to wire two-way switches. One common configuration is the switch loop method, where the power source comes directly into one switch box. From there, cable runs to the second switch box, connecting the switches. Another option is the staircase configuration, commonly used for controlling lights at the top and bottom of a stairwell. 3. Usage scenarios. Two-way switches are commonly used in large rooms or areas with multiple entrances, such as living rooms, hallways, or stairways. They provide convenience by allowing you to control the lights from different points in the room, eliminating the need to walk back to the original switch location. 4. Switch types. Two-way switches can be either traditional toggle switches or modern, sleek designs like rocker switches. The functionality remains T.